Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you once again to a wonderful video of mine. Well guys, this video is all about IELTS speaking module. If your target band is 7 or above, even if you need 6 band, you may try for 7 or 8 band. This video is going to help you. It's all about speaking. I will tell you how to speak for band score 7, band score 8, and how to get your desired band, how to snatch your desired band from the examiner. Before we go on, let me tell you, I have prepared a book for speaking module. There are almost 100 cue cards, 200 topics of speaking part 1, and this is a kind of, guess book or prediction. All the predicted topics are there. So if you work hard with these topics, it does not mean that you need to cram your answers. If you go through the topics, nothing will be new in actual IELTS exam, right? In order to order this book, you can just WhatsApp us, and this book is available in PDF as well as in printed form. So whatever you need, we can guide you for that, okay? And this book is available at, little administrative cost. So you will have to pay that cost of the book, and then you will get that. Anyways, as far as IELTS speaking is concerned, you need to understand few things. Remember, your IELTS speaking test is face-to-face test. It's one-on-one interview with the examiner where you have to answer the questions. Sometimes it is remote. Remote means there is a screen in front of you. Examiner is on the screen like a video call. Otherwise, it is physical. There is physical examiner like I'm here and you are there, okay, like this. Now, remember, your IELTS speaking test has got 4 marking criteria, or there are 4 babies which you need to tickle. Tickle means please, right? These babies are not small babies. These babies are not big babies. Yeah, these babies are actually 4 babies of IELTS speaking, which you will have to please, and then you will get your desired band. The first baby is fluency. In IELTS speaking, if you speak with pauses, if you speak word by word, if you repeat yourself, if you do a lot of something like that, you will get low band in fluency. This is very important marking criteria. I have seen some students who speak wrong English. Like in grammar, they got low band score, but because of fluency, they got 6.5 to 7 band as well, right? So fluency is very important. Fluency comes when you are going to be familiar with the topics of IELTS speaking. If today I talk to you about your favorite food, and after 3 to 4 days, IELTS examiner asks you questions about your favorite food, you can answer easily. Okay, so the book which I am talking about, in that book we have 200 topics for speaking part 1 and 100 topics for speaking part 2, and these topics are hot topics. Examiner is likely to ask you these questions in actual exam. This is why I call this book examiner's book for IELTS speaking. Okay, so the first baby is fluency. Do not repeat yourself. Make yourself familiar with the topics. If you speak on a topic 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time, you will be fluent in that. After fluency, the next criteria is pronunciation, which is very important. Pronunciation does not mean accent. They will not check your accent. They will not rate you on your accent, but they will see how clearly you can speak English. They will check the basic sounds of English and how you pronounce certain words. Right? For example, if the word is postpone and someone within Arabic origin says postpone, they will accept it. You know, there are variations and dialects, and some people have their regional accent in their English. They will accept it as long as your pronunciation is clear. The best way to improve your English pronunciation for IELTS to get 8 band in pronunciation, that is IELTS listening. Whenever you practice the test, you should use your hands-free or AirPods or whatever you have, and volume where you are comfortable, increase 1 level more. For example, you are comfortable at volume 10, right? Make it 11 or 12. The sounds of English should go from your ears to your head and your brain and all that so that you could react. The way they speak, copy them, imitate them. Like, if we listen to a song time and again, we start humming that song. We are doing our work and we're doing, guess which song is it, and then comment below, right? Okay, guess the song and comment below. It's just, fun activity. Anyways, when these sounds will go to your head, most definitely you will be able to react. Your brain will absorb English into English, really spoken by native speakers, and you will produce such style of English and you will get good bench score in pronunciation. After that, the third marking criteria of the examiner, that is what we call vocabulary. For vocabulary, I will only say you are not supposed to use difficult words. Use a variety of words which are related to that topic. For instance, your topic is music. Now try to incorporate as many words as you can which are related to music. If your topic is internet, try to use as many words, website, online, social media, on the web. Try to use as many words as you can. What do the students do who get low bench score? They repeat question vocabulary. Question, do you use internet? Yes, I use internet. I use internet very regularly. I have been using internet since my childhood, and to answer your question, yes, I am a regular user of internet. Use. Internet. As a result, you will get low bench score in that. Same question, do you use internet? Yes, most of the time I am online and I really enjoy browsing some new websites. On the other hand, I use different mobile applications as well with the help of internet, and I have subscribed some educational channels as well where I learn a lot. So to answer your question, I am a regular user of the internet, and most of the time you may find me online. See that? This is the answer. And if you use internet, you will get low bench score. So vocabulary, whatever the topic is, try to use as many words, synonyms, simple words which are related to that topic, but they should be a variety, and do not repeat question vocabulary time and again in your answer. This takes me to my last point, and that is grammar. As far as grammar is concerned, in IELTS speaking, they will ask you questions in 5 tenses, and these 5 tenses are present simple. I get up early in the morning. Past simple, I went to Dubai last week. Future simple, I will go to Sri Lanka in the future. Present perfect, I have just finished my breakfast. Present perfect continuous, I have been teaching IELTS for 15 years now. Okay, so these 5 tenses are extremely important. All the questions of the examiner, 99% questions are going to be in these 5 tenses. Now what you have to do, first you need to learn these 5 tenses. Second, you need to learn the passive voice of first 4 tenses. Then you need to learn how to make compound sentences. And finally, you should learn the use of modal verbs, can, could, should, may, might, have to, has to, and all that. That's it. Your grammar is just finished here, and then you can speak confidently in front of the examiner. Okay? Now, let's move on to the second part of this video, where I would like to tell you how to tackle the questions, how to answer the questions. Examiner has all the questions in 2 parts. One part is WH question, and second is the tense of the question. For example, if examiner asks you, what do you do in your free time? What is WH question? Do you do in your free time means present simple tense, right? So you should answer in present simple tense, and when they say what, it means activity. It means time pass, okay? So you may answer, first of all, whenever I find some spare time, for free time you can use the word spare time, I listen to music. As I love listening to music, and I also play guitar, so I prefer listening to music whenever I am free. Secondly, if I have nothing to do. Now, I'm not saying free time, I'm saying if I have nothing to do, and then talk about second thing, and then you can conclude your answer. So, WH question will immediately trigger you to answer about a certain thing. What? Something. Where? Location. Who? Person. Why? Reason. How long? Duration. How often? Frequency. So when you know these things, your brain will automatically trigger ideas and you will be able to answer the question. Second, answer the question in the same tense examiner asks you the questions in. For example, if the question is in present simple, answer should be in present simple. Past simple, future simple, answer should be in the same tenses. But when it is present perfect, first sentence will be present perfect, rest of the sentences will be past simple. For example, have you visited any restaurant recently? Yes, I've been to an Italian restaurant and I went there last week. Now, when you narrate the incident of that Italian restaurant, for that you're going to use past tense, past simple tense. Second form of the verb, use compound sentences and you will get very good bench score. Finally, this is the last part of the video, and again I'm telling you the book which I have referred to, your 90% speaking is going to be from there. So it's a good idea to go through the questions, go through the topics, and that is going to help you a lot. Okay, you may get this book, you just need to contact me and I'll share that with you at a little administrative cost. Now finally, how to answer the question. Whenever examiner asks you the question, pick up WH question, pick up the tense of the question, and then answer the question directly. The first point, answer the question directly. What's your favorite drink? Now don't answer. Drinks are very important in life. Some people like cold drinks, some people like hot drinks. I am very happy that you have asked me about my favorite drink, and I would love to tell you about my favorite drink. My favorite drink is coffee. Not like this. Do not give any prepared answer. Do not give this feeling to the examiner that I am ready. Okay, I am speaking English which I have prepared. My English is not that I'm thinking and talking. My English is coming from memorized answers. If you memorize answer for speaking, that will be the reason for low bench score. So, what's your favorite drink? I love to drink coffee. Especially in summer when the days are hot, I prefer to drink cold coffee, and in winter obviously I enjoy a warm cup of coffee in the morning with my breakfast. So to answer your question, coffee has always been my favorite drink. Okay, something like this will bring you 7 or 8 band, right? Exactly, I'm telling you, I have taught so many students throughout my career. You may not have seen as many sparrows as the students I have taught in my life, okay? So don't worry about that. This is how you're going to answer. Step 1, direct answer. Step 2, elaborate your answer. IELTS examiners hate and they get irritated when the candidates do not speak. Question, what's your favorite color? Black. See, then you're looking at the face of the examiner, ask me more and I'll tell you more. What do you do in your free time? Sleep. Okay, so these type of answers irritate the examiner, right? They don't express their irritation, right? These type of answers actually make the examiners angry within their heart and all that. So never answer in one word, in one sentence. Okay, your answer should contain 3 parts: direct answer, elaborate your answer, and finally conclude your answer. That is why coffee is my favorite drink. This is what I mostly do whenever I have some spare time. See that conclusion? That is why, therefore, for all these reasons, I love to drink coffee. This is what we call conclusion. So if you answer in 5 to 6 sentences, right, examiner will go on and your speaking test will run smoothly and you will be able to get more than your desired band. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. And we offer IELTS test booking service. We offer IELTS single module preparation. We have wonderful classes for IELTS speaking. Like we have a crash course for IELTS speaking, which is individual, one-on-one with one of our trainers. And that trainer is certified trainer. He will give you tips, techniques, book, handouts and all that. And the trainer will actually practice with you one-on-one, right? So this, if you want to get any of these services, just text us on WhatsApp, raise a query and we will answer. All the best guys. Thank you so very much. Wish you best of luck with your IELTS preparation and I wish you 8+ band. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.